Belle Delphine, whose real name is Mary Belle Kirshner, is a popular internet personality and content creator known for her quirky and provocative content. With her unique brand of content, she has amassed a significant following across various social media platforms. In this article, we will delve into Belle Delphine's net worth and investments. Belle Delphine's net worth is estimated to be around $3 million as of 2023. She has accumulated her wealth through a variety of revenue streams, including her social media presence, merchandise sales, and revenue from her Patreon account. Social media presence. Belle Delphine rose to fame through her social media accounts, which currently have a combined following of over 20 million users. Her Instagram account alone has over 12 million followers, making her one of the most popular influencers on the platform. Belle's social media accounts feature a mix of provocative and humorous content that has garnered significant attention and engagement from her followers. Merchandise sales. Belle Delphine has also capitalized on her popularity by launching her own merchandise line. Her merchandise includes clothing items such as hoodies, t-shirts, and socks, as well as products such as phone cases and posters. The merchandise is sold through her online store, which has been highly successful in generating revenue. Patreon. Belle Delphine also earns significant revenue from her Patreon account. Patreon is a platform where content creators can monetize their work by offering exclusive content to their subscribers in exchange for a monthly fee. Belle Delphine offers a range of exclusive content to her Patreon subscribers, including behind-the-scenes footage and access to her private Snapchat account. Despite her success, there is limited information available regarding Belle Delphine's investments. However, it is likely that she has invested in various assets to diversify her portfolio and secure her financial future. Some potential investment opportunities for Belle Delphine may include real estate, stocks, and cryptocurrency. Real estate. Real estate is a popular investment choice for high-net-worth individuals, and it is likely that Belle Delphine has invested in this asset class. Real estate provides a stable source of passive income through rental properties, and it also has the potential to appreciate in value over time. Investing in stocks is another popular investment choice for individuals looking to build wealth. Stocks offer the potential for high returns, but they also come with a level of risk. It is possible that Belle Delphine has invested in stocks to diversify her portfolio and generate additional income. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has become an increasingly popular investment option in recent years, and it is possible that Belle Delphine has invested in this asset class. Cryptocurrency offers the potential for high returns, but it also comes with significant volatility and risk. In conclusion, Belle Delphine has built a successful career as a content creator and social media influencer. Through her various revenue streams, including her social media presence, merchandise sales, and Patreon account, she has accumulated a significant net worth of $3 million. While limited information is available regarding her investments, it is likely that Belle Delphine has diversified her portfolio by investing in assets such as real estate, stocks, and cryptocurrency.